And good morning and welcome to the VSA Capital 5 Minute Morning Miner. Here we are again. It's Thursday, nearly through the end of the week. How you, Paul?
All right, thank you. How are you?
Yeah, not bad. I'm actually heading out to Oxford today to see the Infinity Energy Systems project out there, which obviously is a vanadium flow battery. So good for the vanadium miners.
And a big one,
Uh,
and project too.
well, it's quite a big project, but it's tiny in compared to what they could be doing in the future. I mean, as you know, we believe that flow batteries will take up 10% of the entire energy storage market, which is mega billions. Let's hope so. Anyway, let's talk about mining. There's quite a lot of ASX listed quarterly news coming out, isn't it? Because they have to. But what do you want to talk about today, Paul?
Oh, I thought I would first talk about the mixed gem diamonds Q3 results that came out here. That's AIM quoted diamond producer in Lesotho. They produced about 14% more carats so far this year, up to 82,260 carats, as opposed to just over 72,000 last year. But the average price they've received so far is about $200 a carat less so far. But they have also found more large stones, which get premium prices, of course, when they're gem quality, including two very large stones that they found just after the end of the quarter, which will get sold during Q4. We're looking at total revenues of uh, of 47 million US dollars here so far in this quarter, and we're hoping that, at least I'm hoping that these large stones essentially will make up for the shortfall in the average per carat revenues when we get out to year end.
Let's hope they do. Also, I'll tell you what, Rainbow Rare Earth had their results today, didn't they?
Yes, they did. And they're very much enjoying the much higher prices getting quoted here for rare earth concentrates getting shipped around the world now. 67% increase over fiscal year 2021 for this year as opposed to last year, and particularly for those magnet heavies, the neodymium and praseodymium here. The Gakara project in Burundi, of course, getting a little bit different pricing than the other pricing from other sources around the world because concentrate qualities are different for each deposit. The Burundi concentrates getting about 64% better pricing here at this point in time. Uh, they also released in the latest quarter the first JORC compliant inferred mineral resource on their Phalaborwa project in South Africa at 38 million tons of 0.43% rare earth oxides. So making good progress there. We'll see whether or not they've been able to stabilize, I think, their activities when the year ends come out.
All right, and we had some drill results from the Greatland Gold, the one that everybody loves, haven't we?
Yes, we did. Further drilling results coming out, and just like all the other miners around the world, they too are having delays in the reporting of assays just because the labs are so busy at this point. But they have reported what is so far the very best drill hole as far as contained uh, quantity of total metals is concerned here, with 120 meters grading 10 grams gold and 0.66% copper at depth on the Have Iron project. Um, so far, the drilling that is continuing here is extending the size of some of these zones at depth, and that's also the construction, which is now underway, is also making good progress. The feasibility study still forecast for delivery in the December quarter of next year.
You love a good drill result, Paul, don't you? And of
Yes, I
course,
sure do.
we all know who my favorite is. That is going to have drill results fairly soon. That could hopefully be almost the next Greatland Gold.
Well, we'll hope they do. Yes, that's right.
Okay, what else today? Anything else?
Oh, we had Agnico Eagle, the TSX listed major gold miner, reported their quarterly gold production results at 540,000 ounces, which is an increase of 10% year on year. They have maintained their production guidance at just over 2 million ounces for the year, but their net income fell by more than half, or around half, to $114 million, or just 47 cents a share. It is to be remembered, though, too, that they, late in the quarter, also announced that they intend to merge up with Kirkland Lake Gold as well.
Yeah. Okay. Well, that will probably do, Paul. Sounds as though your cough is getting a little bit better, but if you're not feeling well, don't go into the office.
Yeah, I understand that. Yep.
Don't forget to wear your mask when traveling on Transport for London.
I always do.
It is a condition of carriage. Too many people aren't. I mean, if you look at it, I'll tell you what, the central line is like coronavirus central line. Everybody traveling on it, as far as I could see when I went the other day, using my freedom pass, now I'm over 60, wasn't wearing a mask. I was.
Yes, people are getting lazy here, and the coronavirus definitely hasn't gone away.
On that note, I'll speak to you tomorrow, Paul.
Okay, very good.